Hey guys, welcome to today's video. On this video, I am going to show you how to make posts like this that says from the name of the person. Now, what this actually means is that the person that shared this video actually shared it from a different video. Then, without wasting more of your time, let me show you how to do it. So, let me go over to a video that I think interests me. So let's say this particular video, you can also see that this video is from another person. So to do this on this video, click on this area, the three-dotted area, and then you choose post video. Now, when you do post video, it posts it leaving the person's credit. Now, this is actually different from retweeting. It is not retweeting. So you actually see that at the ending of the area, it has this option that says video 1. And also, the reason why I'm copying this is because I am going to do this on multiple videos. Now, go ahead and click on post. Now, when I post that, it is going to be uploaded to my account. Now, let me go over to image. You can also do this to an image. I wanted to do it. Now, you can see the video has been published and it says from the same person, K. If you notice right here, the person that posted it is Daily Loud. But then the original video is from K. So I am still leaving the credit from K. Now, let me go over to another video entirely. And also you can do this to a video as well as an image. So, is there any video that is original? Okay, now this is original, right? Now to do this, click on this area and you can see that there is no option to say from, right? Just copy the post, do not worry. Now come over here and then you paste the link of that post. Then go ahead and delete these ones. I think right here. And then / and say photo /1. And then you post it. I might be mistaken. Yes, I'm correct. You can clearly see it works. And the same for a video. For a video, you do video and then you put / and then you do the same thing I did. Let me show you again. So normally this option is available, but let's assume this option is not available yet. Just click and copy the link. And then you come over to that particular post of yours. You delete all this area, including the question mark. And then you replace it with / because it's a video. And then you make this video / and then you put 1. So doing this is going to create similar thing like we just did previously. You can see. And then it says from Cleverly. Now you can still confirm that the original person that posted it is Cleverly. It says right there, Cleverly. So this, guys, is how to repost. This is not retweet. It's totally different from a retweet. When you retweet, this particular one right here is a retweet, but a retweet with a quote, which is this particular option. I am going to show you guys that on a different video. So I hope this video is helpful, and on my profile area you can now see that most of the video I actually posted them, and also the image I actually posted them, leaving the credit from the person. But also you can download these images and this video and re-upload them yourself manually if that is what you want. But I think this method is actually better in order for you to avoid criticism and unnecessary issue coming from anybody, let's say probably if it has a copyright on it, or maybe it's aggressive. So posting it and declaring that it's coming from someone else, not from you, is better. So I hope this is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace. Leave a question if you have further confusion in this. And also I am going to share or make the reason why some profile have the option to post video and some don't. Now there is actually a reason why some do not have it. They did not enable this option, and that is the reason why some people do not have this option in their video whenever they upload. So I hope it's helpful. Smash like. See you on the next one. Peace.